You will quickly learn how to use filter in Google Drive, okay, on the web, which makes it faster for you to locate different files easily. The first is to launch your web browser, and here we are going to use Google Chrome for this. Visit drive.google.com and log in if you are prompted to do so. You can see the web link here, drive.google.com. Once you're here, the next step is to click on My Drive folder. Let's say I want to filter down to all the spreadsheet files I have in this account. I'll click on this and then I will select spreadsheet. Okay, there are a lot of options here. So this has returned all the spreadsheet files I have in this account. So it makes it easy for me to access any particular file that is a spreadsheet that I want to use. Okay, so take for example, I have thousands of spreadsheet files here, and I want to filter down to a particular spreadsheet file that contains students in the name, or let's say calculations in the name. All right, so I'll click here and type in the keyword calculation. All right, calculations. Then after that, I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Then this has filtered down, showing me that this is the only spreadsheet file that contains calculations inside. Okay, so it has made it faster for me to search things. So let me close this for us to see another way we can search. Then I'll click on my drive. Okay, let's take for example, you want to search for a particular person. All right, maybe somebody have shared file with before. You click here and maybe type the name of the person. Okay, in some cases you don't even need to type the name, just like you can see here, it will show you all the names of the people that you have communicated to. It's another way to filter. So I'll click above. Okay, another way you can filter is maybe you wrote a document or you uploaded a document inside this your Google Drive, and in that document you mention a particular word, but you cannot trace that document so fast. If you remember a particular keyword in that particular file, it can be faster. So let's click here and let me type in OneDrive to know if there is anywhere I mention OneDrive in this account. All right, so you can see it has dictated that this particular document contains a word called OneDrive. All right, so these are so many ways you can filter your searches in Google Drive. All right, this is a filter icon. If you click here, you can still go through advanced filtering. Just choose what you want to filter down on, and after that click on search. It will give you the results you need. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, leave a comment and hit the like button. See you some other time.